Before overhauling, clean the outer surface of the fuel pump. Clamp the fuel pump in the vise and remove the delivery valve holder. Take out the delivery valve. Invert the pump. Depress the plunger guide and take out the stop ring. Take out the plunger guide. Remove spring seats, spring and plunger. Remove the control sleeve and the control rack. Remove the barrel set screw and take the plunger barrel out. Clean all the components with kerosene using a soft brush. Never use a steel brush. Always handle plunger and plunger barrel as a pair. Renew the O-rings. Insert the plunger barrel and fix it with the set screws. Insert the control rack and fix the control sleeve. Match the marks on the control rack, control sleeve and the plunger. A mismatch of the marks affect the fuel delivery. Assemble the spring seat, spring, guide and the stop ring. Invert the pump and fix the delivery valve. If required, replace the valve as a unit. Apply Marley coat and tighten the delivery valve holder. After assembling the fuel pump, ensure that the